What are you doing, Cleopatra? What are you doing? So I went in the bathroom. I went in the bathroom. Trouble on double trouble. Hello, Harry and Zora. What are you two doing up there? All kinds of stuff for you to chew on up there, huh? Come here, twerp. Don't need to be doing that. Come here. My dirty laundry. Oh! Oh. See me? What'd they do? They pulled the towel down. Guess it needed washed anyways. I guess it needed washed. Oh, another big kitty. He snuck in here. I didn't know he was in there. It's Harry. Zora. Missing Loda. There she is. There's Loda girl. What you doing, Trooper?